for the Boston Celtics. The speedy backcourt of Rondo and Bradley. And it's Kelly Olynyk out of Gonzaga, a 7-footer with inside-outside offensive skills in the middle at center. He's thrilled for this one. Everyone will be watching now how he does in his first NBA official game. Then there's Green, and it's Bass in the power forward. Here's Green after the made shot from Bass.
Whatever their plan was defensively that time, it didn't work. Not if it
Shot is off. On defense, Boston. The drive by Green. Hit his leg. And the ref's whistling a kick ball. 17 seconds left in the first quarter. Ginobili outside. Tipped away. And here we go with Wallace. Nobody does
a run out and then a dunk in transition.
Exactly, Clark, what they wanted. The aggressive defense to lead to.
Yeah, points in transition.
That's why you want to make the other team feel uncomfortable handling the ball, because you can get easy points out of it at the other end.
Tie